Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your web forms with Typeform, full guide step by step clearly. To begin upgrading your web forms with Typeform, start by visiting the Typeform website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Typeform dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Create New Typeform button. You'll have the option to choose from a variety of templates. Select a template that aligns with your goals, or start from scratch. If starting new, choose a blank form to customize it fully. Next, familiarize yourself with the Typeform interface. On the left side, you'll see different types of questions you can add. You can select from multiple choice, short text, rating, and more. Drag and drop your chosen question type into the main editing area. Type your question and customize the answer options as needed. Explore settings for each question, such as requiring an answer or adding logic jumps. Logic jumps allow you to create a more personalized experience for respondents. After adding all your questions, click on the Design tab. Here, you can customize the look and feel of your Typeform. Change the colors, fonts, and background images to match your branding. Make sure to preview your form frequently to see how it appears to users. Once satisfied with the design, navigate to the Publish tab. Typeform provides options for sharing your form. You can embed it on your website, share a link, or use a QR code. Select the option that best fits your needs. After publishing, return to your dashboard to track responses. Typeform offers analytics to help you understand user interaction. Set up notifications for new submissions to stay updated. Continue refining your form based on user feedback and performance data. By following these steps, you'll effectively upgrade your web forms with Typeform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.